Your original hometown dealer, Saida, Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
In this week's court report, the 47-year-old Pahrump woman arrested after being accused of attempting to lure children into her vehicle at Ian Deutsch Park and allegedly exposing her breast after she was asked to leave, was scheduled in the Justice Court calendar this afternoon for her formal arraignment. Shauna Lee Gibbons was observed by police sitting in the driver's seat with a see-through shirt, and numerous people alleged that Gibbons attempted to lure a child into her white Ford Explorer. Other witnesses say Gibbons requested the following: that some children go to Sonic with her, and she requested a drink of water from other children. Witnesses also say Gibbons told one young boy that she would buy him McDonald's if he got into her car. A Pahrump young man arrested for allegedly grabbing a knife and attacking his stepfather is scheduled for his pretrial hearing this Thursday. Aaron Cozad was initially spotted by police attempting to force entry into a trailer on East Street by hitting it with a large concrete brick. The suspect was immediately taken into custody. When police contacted the reporting parties, who are Cozad's mother and stepfather, both were bleeding from defensive cuts on the hand. The victims say Cozad has been disobedient and refusing to follow any rules, and when his stepfather tried to talk to him to get him to be reasonable, the suspect grabbed the weapon. The defendant's mom said when she tried to stop the fight, Cozad also cut her. Cozad is facing charges including battery with use of a deadly weapon. Anthony Greco, the Pahrump man convicted of insurance fraud back in May 2015, is now serving his original sentence following Monday's unsuccessful motion for reconsideration in district court. Greco originally received probation instead of being sent to prison for 19 to 48 months, as was controversially recommended by Nye County Parole and Probation. Now Greco will indeed serve that 19 to 48 months after the court denied the motion for consideration that was made after Greco was remanded into custody following his status check because he has not paid his fees and has not done his weekend jail time. Greco was only convicted on one of the 3 felony charges he was facing, including orchestrating first-degree arson, insurance fraud, and aiding and abetting. Both Greco and his now ex-girlfriend, Kathy Rinaldi, were originally charged back in August 2010 after an investigation into a suspicious fire at their Pahrump Valley Boulevard home following what investigators say was a plan to collect money on the home's insurance policy. Both Rinaldi and Greco were ordered to pay more than $13,000 and $15,000 respectively in restitution to the insurance company, in addition to other financial penalties, including Greco's $5,000 fine and other fees. Both cases against Shane Hodge have now been dismissed. Hodge is the local man whose estranged wife and another man claimed he aimed a pistol at the man. Hodge's controversial arrest involved now co-undersheriff Brent Moody, who's currently sharing his duties. Hodge was previously offered a plea deal to plead guilty to domestic violence, and then his felony assault with a deadly weapon charge would be dropped. But Hodge rejected that deal and has always maintained that he is not guilty. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.